Mfeputso letona. Ering question 2.
Simplify fully without using a calculator.
Alright.
Your master must be free of negative exponent and irrational denominators.
Your answer must be free of negative exponents and rational denominators. Irrational.
Yeah.
Alright. Mfeputso
2.1 64 exponent
64 exponent
negative 2 over 3.
negative 2/3. I get
Yeah.
simplify.
Yeah.
Alright. The first thing I create a more. Kikongola 64 as an exponent. Kibugai 64 or 64 equals shift fact. Aina fact. Marisaba 64. Q 2 to power. Oko shebe 2 to power 5 ina kibugai. 2 to power 5.
32.
2 to power 6.
64.
Right. So 2 to power 60 to exponent negative 2/3. I get?
Hey.
Right. How not? The first thing we use because 64 in and 1 fats, you can swap so that the exponent becomes positive. Ogare 1 over 64, and then the exponent becomes positive. And then a value corner or ring 1 over 2 to power 6 to power 2/3. I get?
Hey.
And then a value corner or ring. As a base. It over 2 to power minus 6 to exponent 2/3.
Hey.
And then I can multiply. 2 negative 6 times 2/3. This into this goes once. Negative 2 times 2. 2 to power negative 4, which is 1 over 2 to power 4, which is 1 over 16. To check whether we are correct, originally like this, it must give you 1 over 16. Then we know that we are correct.
Correct.
Correct. Right. Alright. If everything is fine, hurry at 2.1.2.
3 exponent
3 exponent
2n plus 1
2n plus 1
minus 9 exponent
minus 9 exponent
n minus 1
n minus 1
all over keep 23 up.
Hey. Okay, let me check. Oh, 2 times 3, 2n plus 1. Alright. We want to simplify that. Now, how do we simplify that? How do we simplify that? Right. I will start first by breaking this. This becomes 3, 2n, 3 exponent 1 minus this becomes 3 squared. That is being multiplied by n minus 1. All over 2 times this becomes 2n, 3 exponent 1. Are we fine? Very good. And then I have my 3, 2n, 3, 1 minus 3, 2n times 3 minus 2. Okay? 2 times n, 2n, 2 times negative 1, negative 2. And then I'm separating this in this way. and then I am dividing by 2 times 3, 2n, 3 exponent 1. There's a common factor kamuna, le kamo. In 3 exponent 2n. Consider 3 exponent 2n, I'm left with a 3. 3 exponent 2n, 3 minus 2. 3 exponent 2n, I'm left with 2 times 3. Are we fine?
Yeah.
Alright. This into this will go once, and then you have your 3 minus 1 over 3 squared, because this becomes positive when you say 1 over divided by 6. And then I can just insert this on a calculator, but the choice is yours. You can take out an LCD. You will have 3 minus 1 over 9 divided by 6, and then you will say 3 over 1 minus 1 over 9 divided by 6. LCD, it's 9. You will say 3 times 9 minus 1. Change division to multiplication. They will swap. That will be 1 over 6. And then you can just insert this on a calculator. Let's not even make something very long. Just insert the whole of this on a calculator.
Here 13 over 27.
13 over 27. Simple. And then you are entirely done. You are completely done. I don't know whether you got that correct.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go to 2.1.3. 2.1.3. Barry.
Open bracket 3 minus square root 3.
3
Minus square root 3. Close bracket all squared. All over square root 3 multiplied square root 6. Yeah.
It's all.
Yeah.
Okay. I will repeat this 2 times. I will write square root 6 as root 3 times 2. Again?
Yeah.
I will remove the brackets by multiplication. 9 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 plus 3. Because root 3 times root 3 is 3. Divide root 3 times root 3 root 2. This is the same as this. Again?
Yeah.
There's a common factor. I can simplify this. 9 plus 3 key 12. 12 minus 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3, it's minus 6 root 3. All over root 3 times root 3, it's 3 root 2. I don't know whether this is possible. This is visible. Root 3 times root 3, it's 3 root 2. Hey, focus volume down. Right, and then from there, there's a common factor that I can take on top, which is
Square root
6. Yeah? I can take out 6 as a common factor here.
no, 3.
I can even take out 6. Okay, 3, it's still fine. This will be 4 minus 2 root 3. Okay?
Yeah.
All over 3 root 2. So that this and this will go once. You will have 4 minus 2 root 3 all over root 2. Okay?
Yeah.
And then from there, I can factor out 2 again. I don't know whether you can see that. There's a common factor of 2 on top. Again? Now, only 2 to power 1 more. Mona only 2 to power 1 half. If you cancel 1 half, you cancel 1 half, you will be left with 1 half. Again? So you will have root 2 into 2 minus root 3, which is 2 root 2 minus root 6. Because root 2 times root 3 is the same as root 6. So this is what your calculator will provide. If Kinyan Trainer calculating, you must get this. Kinyan Trainer calculating. That is what you should get. Calculator, you find exactly that. 2 root 2 minus root 6.
Negative 6 plus 2 root 2.
Or negative
6.
Negative 6 kappa negative root 6.
Negative root 6.
Negative root 6 plus 2 root 2. Now it's exactly the same. Okay? I just remember why I want. Mona, you must be careful. Mona, keep put us a labhan. Keep put us a labhan. Keep says. Ke kopa o shoot re tseba o ya pele. Ke kopa o shoot re tsebe go ya pele. Beria kae?
Ne di 23 feletsa ke.
Question 2. Question 2.
Question 2 2.2. Solve for x without using a calculator.
2.2.
2.2.1 I think it's good.
X root 32 equals 128. X 1 half minus 3x 1 and a quarter minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, yaba ifillit. Harubone number 1. Hi Niji, we want to get rid of that x again. I know I will write what is inside of the square root. Remove the square root, you will say 1 over x. Again, if it was 2, 1 over 2. If it was 10, 1 over 10. Equals 128. Write 32 as an exponent. I see 2 to power 5.
Yo.
128 guy. 128 equals shift fact. 128. 128 equals shift fact.
2 square root 7.
2 root
is 2 to exponent of 7.
2 to exponent 7. 128. And then I will multiply here. You will say 2, 5 times 1, it's 5 over x equals 2 to power 7. Okay? When the bases are the same, I equate the exponents. Okay? I will get rid of x by multiplying both sides by x. And then my 5 equals 7x, my x equals 5 over 7. And then I will go to 2.2.2. x 1 half minus 3x 1 and a quarter minus 10 equals to 0. Now more, I can write 1 and a quarter because 1 half here. Okay, 1.5. 1.25 here. So 1.25 na le piece tse 4. So ka mantswe mang ena na le piece e 1 e kgolo ho feta e. So 1/2 e kgolo ho 1/4. Therefore, re lo change 1/2 re ngola jwang? O share. Ke lo ngola 1/2 as what is 1/4 plus 1/4? This is 1/2. 1.25 plus 1.25 you fa 1/2, and this is true. Can I quarter ratse 4? 1.25 ya pele plus 1.25 ya bobedi. Ke 1.25, 1.25, 1.25, 1.25. 1.25 plus 1.25 you fa 1.5. Aye? So ka mantswe a mang ke lo re x 1.25 x 1.25, because when I multiply I add it on for 1/2 minus 3x 1.25 minus 10 equals to 0. So these are the k method. Let x 1.25 be equals to k. Automatically k times k minus 3k minus 10 equals to 0. K squared minus 3k minus 10 equals to 0. Automatically k, the factors of 10 that can give you 3, it's 5 and 2. The bigger number takes the sign of the middle term. Again? So k equals 5 or k equals minus 2. But k x 1.25 equals 5, x 1.25 equals negative 2. Okay, but at the value of x, I multiply by the reciprocal of 1.25. Every exponent, my x becomes 5 to power 4, which is
625.
625. I multiply by 4, I multiply by 4, my x is negative 2 to power 4, which is
16
minus 16. Those are your values of x. But that must be your values of x. That was question 1 and question 2. Again? I can say the function in the end.
The function of aliens.
Question 3. Again? Here already function. I given that? Right. Ke kopa ho phumula mona he. Ke kopa ho phumula mona.